Welcome to Richmond on Thames. We're stood here on the edge of Richmond Bridge. Richmond Bridge was built in the 18th century. It's a stone arch bridge that connects the west and east halves of Richmond.
Join us on this sunny Sunday afternoon. Richmond boasts the longest stretch of the River Thames, and it runs for over 10 miles through the borough, linking Hampton Court Palace, Richmond Town Centre and Kew Gardens with London.
Richmond Riverside owes much of its neo-Georgian style to the architect Quinlan Terry, who was commissioned to restore the area in the mid-1980s. The Odeon Cinema opened in spring 1930, designed in an atmospheric style, featuring a 17th century Spanish courtyard theme, with seating for over 1,500 on 2 levels. There are a number of chimpanzee sculptures by artists Gilly and Mark around Richmond. We'll see more later. This is Gaucho Richmond restaurant, looking very busy. It's been newly refurbished inside, reflecting the design and atmosphere of modern Argentina. We are heading a little further down the riverside to Stein's, a Bavarian restaurant. It was also busy, but we managed to get seats. I've been here a few times in the past and always enjoyed our visits. Richmond is one of London's most expensive areas, with house prices sitting significantly above the London average. The White Cross pub, dating back to 1845. At high tide, the water can come right up to the pub. The Old Ship is a Grade 2 listed public house. It was built in the 18th century and has been a Young's pub since 1860. The Chimpanzee Sculptures Project is to support the work that the Worldwide Fund for Nature does to promote the awareness of endangered wildlife. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. The station building, designed by James Ross Scott in Portland stone and dating back from 1937, is in Art Deco style, and its facade includes a square clock. This parish church of St Mary Magdalene has been a place of worship in the centre of Richmond for over 800 years. Sir Richard Attenborough, who died in 2014, requested that his ashes be interred in a vault here. Richmond Green has been an important open space since the Middle Ages, when it hosted jousting competitions. The park is a venue for various festivities now throughout the year. There's also a cricket pitch. The old town hall was built in the 1890s. It was refurbished in the 1980s and now houses the Information and Reference Library, the local studies collection, the Museum of Richmond and the Riverside Gallery. We are now back at the Riverside. I hope you enjoyed this short walk around Richmond. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.